So find the length of the chord AC where AB and CD are the two diameter perpendicular to each other, and whose angles. So find out these angles. So first I am going to find my length of the chord. Okay, length of the chord AC. So for what I am doing, this is a diagram. So what they mention, AB and CD is two diameter perpendicular to one another. So whose radius is 4 root 2, 4 root 2. Okay, from the center whatever you draw, it's become a 4 root 2 only. The radius should be the same. So my OA and OC and OB and OD, whatever it is, you are adding a 4 root 2 only. Then what they are asking, AC. What's my length of the AC? So I know for this triangle I am taking. So OA equal to OC equal to 4 root 2 because that's a radius. So this is my diameter. Then what they mention, the length of the chord AC I am going to find. And another thing, what they are asking, OAC and OCE. Okay, so we are going to find out this part. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, so what, hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. So opposite square and adjacent square. So 4 into 4, 16 into root 2 into root 2, 2 plus 16 into 2. So adding 32 plus 32, 64. So the square is moving this place, so root, say 8 centimeter. Okay. Then this is a one of the part. The another part is what they are asking, find your angle of this. Okay. So before that, you should observe one. So I am having a triangle. So what I am having? I am having a triangle like this, right? OAC. Okay. Whose length is a 4 root 2, whose length is a 4 root 2, and this is my whatever it is. Okay. So this angle and this angle is equal. In this place what you have? So for example, if you are having like this means one of the angle is a 90 degree mark. So what they are asking? Angle OAC, this angle, and angle OCA. Okay, if you are having the common same side means that is an isosceles triangle whose angle is equal. So I am taking this is x. So this angle should be equal because the side is equal means definitely angle also equal. So in triangle OAC isosceles, this is the isosceles triangle. We already know OA equal to OC is equal to 4 root 2. So I am taking an angle. Angle A equal to angle C is equal to x for my convenience. We already know, right? So one of the another angle is a O. That is a 90 degree because the right angle triangle. Okay. So by using this, sum of three angles in triangle 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C plus angle O equal to 180 degree. So what is this? X plus 90 degree 180 degree. Addition of this 2x, moving the place 180 degree minus 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree by this 2. So 45 degree. So x is common for both angle. Therefore, what they ask, angle OAC equal to 45 degree and the angle OCA also equal to 45 degree because we already know that's my x. And here fourth question, they given the chord 12 centimeter and they given the radius away from the centers. From the center they drawing is the length is this, and find out your length of the chord. You will write that sum. Okay. And now we can move to the fifth sum. In a circle, AB and CD are two parallel chords with the center O and whose radius is 10. Both the Okay, so radius is 10 centimeters such that AB is 16 centimeter and CD is 12 centimeter. Determine the distance from two cards. So what they given in this place, so I am having circle like this. So I am taking AB and CD. AB, what they mention, 16 centimeter. If you know about your diagram only, you can easily solve. So 12 centimeter. And whose radius? So this is my center. Center to this is a 10 centimeter. Obviously this is also my 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Clear? 10 centimeter. So what I am going to do in this place is, because from the center to this is a 10 centimeter. So what we are going to do, so I am find out this AB to CD distance. This is my distance, right? Perpendicular distance. So what, D, E and F, O, right? So we are going to find out this distance only. So what is the possibility to find out? This is one of the diagram and this is one of the diagram. So this is E, E and this is F, right? So what I am having in this place, this triangle. What triangle? (10 centimeter) and whose base? CF is what? DZ by 2. So 12 by 2, 6 centimeters. So this is what? 6 centimeters. Remember this, okay? Don't forget this. So I can find out this. So by using this, it's same. B, E, O. This is same 10 centimeter. And who's this? 16. How can I divide? 8. 8 centimeter, okay? So by using this, we can find out this, we can find out. So addition of this two, I know what is my distance between this. So what are the given value? So this is a formula. How can I going to find out? I am telling what are the values I am having in this place. So the radius, what? OC is equal to OB, because I am taking this two triangle, to what? 10 centimeters. So don't worry about this. And I need, okay, I am taking a triangle. In triangle, what? FCO. FCO. What my FC? FC is equal to CD by 2. I already told. CD is a 12 by 2 is nothing but 6 centimeter. So what's the FC is equal to 6 centimeter. And what they given? OC equal to my radius. So 10 centimeter. This is for hypotenuse. This is my adjacent. You should remember this. So by Pythagoras, is square equal to, what's the hypotenuse? OC square minus adjacent is a FC square. What's the OC square? 10 square minus 6 square. So OF equal to, taking the root out. So 10 square is 100 minus this is 36. OF equal to how much? It's 64. So OF equal to what? 8 centimeter. OF is 8 centimeter. In another triangle, EBO. EBO, what I am having? OB is my radius. OB is equal to 10 centimeter. And EB is equal to AB by 2, 16 by 2, 8 centimeter. Okay. So what's the formula? Find out this. Same. OE square equal to OB square minus EB square. So OE square equal to OB square is a 10 square minus 8 square. So OE is equal to root of 100 minus 64 is equal to 36. So OE equal to centimeter. We are going to find out what? So length of this, right? Therefore, the distance between two cards, okay? The distance between the two cards equal to, what's the distance I am taking? EF, right? So I can write EF. EF, how can I write? EO plus OF, right? EO plus OF. So what's my OF? 8 centimeter. OE is 6. Whatever the same only. 6 plus 8. So addition of this 14 centimeter. Correct? That's it. This is only they are asking.